Welcome my channel DKR Maths Academy. In this video I am going to explain trigonometry exercise number 11.1 problem numbers 5 and 6. This is very useful for APTS 10th class students. Like, share and subscribe by Koteswar Dara. Problem number 5. If 3 tan A equal to 4, then find sin A cos A. 3 tan A equal to 4. It has given. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. This here 3 multiply tan A. When it goes that side, it will be 4 by 3. We know trigonometric value tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side? What is the opposite side? What is the opposite side to A, BC by AB? That's equal to BC by AB. That's equal to BC by AB equal to 4 by 3. That implies AB equal to 3K and BC equal to 4K. We know two sides of triangle. We will find the AC, hypotenuse. For this, we apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We don't know AC square. We know AB square. We don't know AC square. We know AB square is 3. 3K square plus BC also know 4K whole square. That's equal to 3K square 9K square plus 4K square 16K square. That is equal to 25K square. We need AC is equal to root of 25K square, that is equal to 5K. This is the hypotenuse 5K. What did he ask? To find sin A cos A. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equal. What is the opposite to A? Opposite BC by AC. BC how much? 4K. AC how much? 5K. KK gets cancelled. That's equal to 4 by 5. That is sin A. Let's find cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side to A? AB by hypotenuse AC. That is equal to how much? AB how much? 3K by AC how much? 5K. KK gets cancelled. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Problem number 6. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. First of all, we have draw two triangles. in these two triangles, AB is adjacent side. In this problem, XY is adjacent side. BC is opposite in this triangle. YZ is adjacent opposite in this triangle. Hypotenuse is XZ and AC. Then cos A is equal to cos X. It is given in the problem. Given. We know cos A is equal to adjacent for trigonometric ratios. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This cos X, this is also adjacent side by hypotenuse. In this problem, what is the opposite adjacent side? AB. AB by hypotenuse AC is equal to, in this triangle, what is the adjacent side? XY. XY by hypotenuse XZ. Here corresponding sides ratios is equal. Therefore, corresponding sides ratios equal. Therefore corresponding angles also equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle X. In this triangle, what are the corresponding sides? AB equal to XY. These are the corresponding sides. AB equal to XY. So, AC equal to XZ. So, therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles is equal to angle A in this problem, angle X in this problem. So, this angle A is equal to angle X. This is very useful for 10th class students. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.